Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Rob, and as you can see, I have already plucked my lace a little bit and I already made my wig. This is from Yolissa hair, 613 hair from Yolissa hair. I already went ahead and dyed, watercolored my frontal already before I made my wig. And when I'm doing 613 hair and very light colors, I like to have a transition in my hair. I did record it, but I lost the footage. So right here, I just went ahead and parted my wig, and I'm gonna apply the color to the hair. I'm going for this fall orangey auburnish kind of color. And I will use I will show you, leave all the links to the colors that I used in the info bar as well as in the corner of the video, so you guys know what colors that I mixed together. And the reason why I'm applying this color to the actual hair at this point is because I want the hair to have an actual blend to it. And when you apply and when you're doing like your watercolors and stuff like that, sometimes when you dip the hair, it gives you more pastel than a lighter shade. It doesn't really capture the depth of hair when you're doing watercoloring. So I want the back part of the hair to be deep so it can be a transition to the hair. So I'm just going to be coloring, actually applying the actual color to the hair and letting it sit for like 10 minutes before I watercolor the rest of the hair. So I'm just doing this in the back of the hair, and you'll see how that will come out when the hair is fully done and dried and completed. It looks really good. Like I said, I just wanted the hair to have some depth. So yeah, next thing I went ahead and got me a little bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot water in it and just put my colors in there. Now, a good thing that you can do when you're watercoloring to see what color that you're gonna have is you can just add color as you go and dip it in a napkin just to see what color you're getting. So that's kind of like what the color will look like. I want to go a little bit deeper than that, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more color and dip the hair. I used all the door dyes to get this color. Now, as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and drop the hair into the bowl and let it sit. And the longer you let it sit, the deeper the color will be. So if you want a light color, you just want to dip it and pull it back up. But if you want some depth on that hair, and some depth to the color, you want to let it sit. So this is a sped up video, but I had this hair sitting for like 10 minutes each time I dipped it, and I'm gonna dip it twice. You guys will see. Excuse my dogs, they're making so much noise, and this is the only time I really had to do this voiceover, so please excuse them. If you have a dog, you'll understand. But yeah, just want to go ahead and let the hair sit. And as you can see, watercoloring is so much easier than coloring, but actually coloring the hair. But sometimes we have to re-dip the hair just to get the actual color that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply more color, and it's about 3 different colors I mixed them together, and I'm just gonna add more because even though the color it's not dark enough. And I know the camera is capturing it very dark, but in person it wasn't as dark as I want it to be. Another thing that I didn't show you, before I dipped my hair, I actually sprayed my frontal with Gots to Be holding spray, the blast spray, as you can see in the corner right there by my candy bowl. And this stops the dye from taking to the frontal. So you guys will see when the hair and when the wig is actually applied that it's not orange or anything like that. Once you wash and shampoo the hair, the color comes right off the frontal. And as you can see right here, the color comes all off. That is my coconut oil. I'm gonna spray all over the hair. I love to spray that on the hair before I blow dry my hair. I blow dry my hair until it's like medium dry, and then I let the rest of it just fully dry, air dry on its own. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it out, brush it out. And if you're someone that's looking for hair that actually stays in the body wave form, this hair really does. I don't really like the body wave texture. I just use it because it holds curls better. But if you want like a better curl pattern than this, get some water wave hair. I always get body wave hair versus straight hair because I feel like straight hair just doesn't hold a curl and body wave hair does. So this is the hair, medium dry. It's not fully dry, but it's halfway dry, and you can see that color took so beautifully. It has different tones, different colors. The harshness from me dip dyeing that frontal blended right in with the watercolor. So yeah, This Yolissa hair, it's 613 hair, so I know it's not going to be as good as regular hair, but it did dry, and as you can see, it's very dry, and it did shed. As you can see, I just showed you guys, the hair does shed, and even it's still shedding now, so that's something that you want to take into consideration. But yeah, once I have my wig all applied and glued down, this is what it looks like, and I'm just feeling myself right now. I absolutely love the way this color came out. I love the depth that it has. It's darker at the bottom, and that comes from the effect of me actually applying the color to the hair before I watercolored it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notifications bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.